Did you know your cats are protecting you every day?
If they lick you and rub themselves on you, they're leaving their scents to claim ownership. So the next time when you come across a dangerous animal, the scents indicate this human is already owned, don't even think about it. If they follow you to the bathroom, cats are scared of water. They certainly cannot let their clumsy human go alone to the most terrifying room in their house. If they sleep next to you, in nature, cats sleep light to stay alert for predators. They actually worry about you often knocked out throughout the night, so they stay by your side and ready to get you out of danger.